Short story. My hometown.
My hometown is a small countryside village located in the heart of a vast green valley. The village is surrounded by fields of wheat, corn, and sunflowers, which grow tall in the warm summer sun. The air is fresh and clean, and the birds chirp merrily in the trees. The village has a population of about 400 people, all of whom know each other and are very friendly. Most of the villagers are farmers who work hard to produce crops and livestock. They wake up early in the morning and work until the sun goes down. They take pride in their work and the products they produce. Young people work in small shops that sell locally produced goods, such as cheese, honey, and wine. The people in my hometown are friendly and welcoming. They have a strong sense of community and take care of each other. They are always willing to lend a helping hand to those in need, whether it's helping with farm work or providing a warm meal. They have a strong sense of solidarity and believe in the importance of supporting one another. The villagers are very traditional and have a strong connection to their culture and customs. They celebrate local festivals and holidays with great enthusiasm, often dressing in traditional clothing and dancing to folk music. They have a deep respect for their ancestors and their heritage, and this is reflected in their daily lives. The houses in the village are old and made of stone, with thatched roofs and wooden shutters. They are small and cozy, with small gardens full of flowers and vegetables. The streets are narrow and winding, and there are no cars allowed, which makes the village peaceful and quiet. The countryside surrounding the village is beautiful and full of wildlife. There are forests full of deer, foxes, and rabbits, and streams full of fish. People from the village often go hunting or fishing in the countryside, or simply take walks to enjoy the scenery. There is also a small school and a church in the village. In the center of the village, there is a small square where people gather to talk and relax. There is a fountain in the middle of the square, which provides fresh water for the villagers. In the evenings, the square comes alive with music and dancing as people gather to celebrate the end of the day. Despite being a small and quiet village, my hometown is full of life and character. It is a place where people know each other, where traditions are still important, and where nature is respected and appreciated. I am proud to call it my home.